Assalamu alaikum students. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is a subject of chemistry for class 9th. Our unit is 6 solutions and this is lecture number 4. The topic is given on page number 159 to 161. Today I am going to teach you standard solution and expression of solutions and term of concentration. So here we have two solutions. One is standard solution and the other one is unknown or non-standard solution. We can define standard solution as a solution with known concentration is called standard solution, and the other solution which is a solution whose concentration is unknown. So what do you mean by the term concentration here? The term concentration means that how much amount of solute is present in the given solvent or solution. If we know that how much amount of solute is dissolved in the given solution, so the given solution must be a standard solution. For example, here we have 1% sodium chloride solution and 1 molar sodium hydroxide solution. Here we have two examples, one is A and the other is B. So here we write 1MnAOH. How will you pronounce this one? So we can pronounce it as 1 molar sodium hydroxide solution. What does the term molar mean? So molar is short for molarity and molarity is other unit for concentration. So any solution that is level like this with 1 molar or 1% or 1 normal or 1 mole fraction, so that kind of a solution must be called standard solution. Here we have another volumetric flask. Here we write NaOH, so it is a solution. It is unknown solution because there is no value and no representation of such a numerical value. So there is no numerical value, so it is unknown solution. Here we have other method for expression of the concentration of solution. So the first one is percentage composition. Basically the solute and the solution is multiplied with 100 parts of that solution, so it is known as percentage composition of solution. The other one is molarity, which will be discussed later. Normality, mole fraction, ppm, part per million, part per billion and part per trillion. So these part per million and billion, trillion, these are used for very dilute solutions, and this one, the mole fraction, is for gaseous solution, and molarity, normality and percentage composition are usually used for those solutions which are in liquid form. So percentage composition, this is the first method for the representation of a solution. The word percent means 100. We can define percentage composition as it is the number of parts of solute divided by amount of solution multiplied by 100. It is just like if someone give exam and take 450 marks and the total of 600 marks, how will you find percentage of his marks? It is quite simple. We divide his of 10 marks by total marks and then multiply it by the value of 100. So when 450 is divided by 600 and multiplied by 100, so I think the value is 75%. Like he take 450 marks out of 600, so this 75% shows us that 75 number is taken by 100. In terms of solution, how will you find percentage of solution? So the amount of solute which is usually taken in gram or in volume which is in centimeter cube divided by the total amount of solution which is also in gram or maybe in volume which is taken in centimeter cube multiplied by 100. So this is the method for determining the percentage of solution. The percentage composition can be divided into four main types. The first one is percentage composition or percent composition mass by mass. Here the solute is taken in gram and the solution is also present in grams. The second one is percent composition by mass divided by volume. This means that the solute is present in grams and the solution is present in centimeter cube. The third one is percent composition by volume by mass. So this volume shows that the solute is in centimeter cube and the mass shows that the solution is present in grams. The fourth one is percent composition by volume by volume. So this volume is for solute which is taken in centimeter cube and volume. This means that this stands for solution. The solution must be also in centimeter cube. So going in detail for the types of percentage composition, that how will you calculate or determine the percentage of composition. So the first one is percentage composition by mass. So here we can define it as it is a number of grams by mass of a solute present in the given solution in grams. So here we have a formula by which you can determine the percentage of the given solution. So here we have percent mass by mass, amount of solute in grams divided by total amount of solution in grams multiplied by 100. Remember that all of these solutions in terms of calculation, they have similar method to be determined by the formula. So the second one, percentage composition volume by mass. So here we have a volume of solute which is in centimeter cube and a total amount of solution which is in grams. So this solution is volume by mass or percent volume by mass and then multiply by 100. Similarly, the third one, here we have a solute which is taken in volume and a solution which is taken also in a volume. So this is a percent volume by volume solution and then multiplied by 100. So the fourth one is percentage composition mass by volume. So percent mass by volume mean that this mass is the amount of solute which is taken in gram, and this we mean that total amount of solution is taken in volume which is in centimeter cube multiplied by 100. Here we have an example 6.1. Find the percentage composition of solution containing 10 grams of sucrose and 100 grams solution. So here we start a solution. First of all, you have to determine that how much solute is taken and what is its unit. So the solute here is taken in grams and it is sucrose. So sucrose in solid form, solute is taken in gram, and here we have 100 gram solution. So solution is equal to 100 gram. So percent composition of solution is unknown. Here we have a formula that for percent mass by mass is equal to amount of solute in grams divided by total amount of solution which is in gram multiplied by 100. So here I put solute here in this formula on the place of amount of solute, 10 here and 100 gram here. So when 10 is divided by 100 gram multiplied by 100, so is equal to 10. This 10 has no unit because this is percentage. We conclude that the solution is 10% mass by mass sucrose solution. So this is the method for the determination of percent composition of solution. Here we have another example 6.2. Find the percentage composition of solution containing 15 centimeter cube of ethyl alcohol and 55 centimeter cube of a solvent which is water. So here in solution, the solute taken is 15 centimeter cube which is ethyl alcohol, and solvent is equal to 55 centimeter cube which is water. So how will you determine that which one is solute and which one is solvent? The substance that is present in a little amount is solute, and those substances which are present in a greater amount is solvent. So ethyl alcohol is a solute and water is solvent. So here we have solution. So the total solution is equal to solute plus solvent. So 15 centimeter cube we have ethyl alcohol and 55 centimeter cube we have water. So 15 plus 55 centimeter make 70 centimeter cube of a total solution. So here find the percentage of composition of solution. So how will you determine it? We have a formula that percent volume by volume is equal to amount of solute which is n centimeter cube divided by total amount of solute which is also n centimeter cube multiplied by 100. So in this place, in the amount of solute, here we put 15 and total amount of solute. So solute plus solvent make total of 70 centimeter cube. So I put here on the place of amount of solute 15 and total amount of solution is 70 multiplied by 100. So when these are multiplied and divided, the value that 21.42%. This value shows us that the given solution is volume by volume of ethyl alcohol solution. Dear students, if anyone has any question or confusion in any place or topic, so he may ask. Thank you.